Sayang, dapat nagdala ko ng damit. Oh guys, it's already night, but we're still here. It's around 6 something. And then we're going out for dinner. Kasi it's like, we visited a friend of mom here at the hotel somewhere, and then my sisters went to the pool, but I couldn't go to the pool since I did not bring clothes. But yeah, ang gulo ko talaga palagi mo. Ganun na kasi it's night. Waiting for them to finish up kasi we just finished pagbababad sa pool. I'm really jealous because the pool looks really good. Like it looks so deep and like ang chill lang dito sa place. I love the side, like little like small beds on the side of the pool, which is really cool. But we couldn't go there since there's so many people there. So we're just here at like the back part, just more chill and beside the kids. Kanina. Kanina. Gianna, say hi. We're finally eating. I'm hungry. Gianna, say hi.
Kailangan katabi ng man.
Camera is ugly.
Salad. Ayan sa salad mo.
Oh my god. We're hiding. I'm vlogging.
Oh, why can you repeat that?
We're hiding in the bathroom. God damn the food. Okay, they ordered like 4 gigantic plates of fried chicken, 4 gigantic plates again for buffalo wings, and then 2 gigantic pizzas, 4 or 5 fries. They look so big, and also the same with like the mozzarella cheese and like the onion rings. Everything is just so big. Like the serving is like humongous. We could not finish it. 10 people. Okay, we were 10 people. The order is like for 50 people. Tell me why. Mga ante, I cannot. That's like so much. I can't.
Kompleto na kayo? May ano yung cheese? Yung ano, yan. Chicken yan.
Oo nga, akin na to.
Kanino to?
Kay Ella.
Meron na ako.
Yan na.
Tingnan niyo.
Meron na. Akin yun.
Si Johnny wala. Ako.
Tama na something.
Tambal kasi sila ka pamana palto. Hindi ka muna yung maalas sa panginoon. Sleepan mo ito.
Actually, no.
I'm gonna vomit. My car here.
Ate, go.
Wait.
Wow! Hello, ate! Kamu?
Yeah.
Ah!
What does it look like? Wow. There's real grapes. Doesn't look like a farm in my perspective, but it does. It is. See that? So init. I got a free taste. It's sweet. I got a free taste of wine. Oh, it's good. This is my second one. This one is blueberry. This is better.
Hindi, ayoko.
This is good. It's wine alcohol. It's really good. We tasted like the normal grapes and the blueberry one. The blueberry one was my favorite. Most probably.
Nangiinom mo eh. Ryan. Okay. How about Ate Ella?
Oh yeah, me too.
Did you vlog it?
Yeah.
Ba't yung... Yan.
Picture.
It's so mainit, but whatever. Daddy, this one, oh.
Picture yata.
It's really small though.
Ayun, dado yung green pa. Para hindi siya.
You found something, Mom. Mommy, let me pick up. I want to get it.
No, you pick na lang.
You go. I'm gonna hold the basket. You pick.
Okay, I'll pick.
Go get it.
How about this one? Where?
Go
You
get
have to
it.
pick a big one. Oh, this one, Gianna. Oh. Ayun, big. Come here. We have a basket of grapes. We're here at
Ang hindi may
LU.
hutig niya pare pero...
LU is so beautiful. So fun. Like I've seen a lot of like restaurants like up here.
Saan siya kabusat?
We're looking for a specific restaurant that we actually want to go to. Look how cool like this the street is, especially somewhere uphill like that over there. We're looking for a specific restaurant to go to. It's called Kabsat. Something like that. And yeah, we're just driving around. Looking for a place to stay too, because we didn't specifically book anything. 'Cause you get like a new plate or no? There's a new para sa dessert. Masarap yung coffee dyan. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to your vlog. Say hi to your vlog. Hi to my vlog. We're going to the beach.
Parang nakakahiyang nakapayo.
Makakasayaw. Makakasayaw.
Mami, alitin ko ba yung
I can't walk. Have to walk. I can't even walk.